Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really cool. Have you ever had a photo and wondered, where was this taken? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know how to easily find the exact location of any photo for free. And stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you a super fun feature of the website we'll be using that will test how well you know places around the world. You don't want to miss that part. Alright, let's get started. The website we're using today is GeoSpy. It's an awesome free tool for finding the location of any photo, and no registration needed. So first things first, head over to geospy.ai. Once you're here, simply drag and drop your photo or upload it from your computer. I'm going to use a random photo to demonstrate. It may take a few seconds for the magic to happen. GeoSpy uses AI to analyze the image and pinpoint the exact location where it was taken. And boom, there you have it. The location is shown on the map. You can zoom in to get a better view and explore the area in detail. How cool is that? Right below of it, in the location prediction part, you'll see even more information, like the city and country where the photo was taken. It's super helpful if you're looking for more details. And if you're curious about how the AI figured this all out, the explanation part gives you insights from the photo's location analysis. It's always interesting to see what the AI pulls from the image. Need to save all this info? No problem. Just click on Export PDF to download a complete report, including the photo's location. You can keep it for later or share it with friends or clients. Next up, the Open in Maps option. If you want to navigate to that exact location using Google Maps, just click this button. It'll take you right to the spot, and you can even start navigation if you want to visit. Another cool feature is the Open in Street View button. It lets you see the street view of the location, as long as it's available in the database. If the exact location is not available, no worries, GeoSpy will show you the closest street view nearby. Want to save the coordinates to use on another platform or map? Just hit the Copy Coordinates button and you're good to go. If you're curious about similar places, the Sources section is fantastic. It'll show you related images or locations that are similar to the one you uploaded. You might even discover more about the place you're researching. Alright, and for the part that I promised at the beginning, the fun interactive game on GeoSpy, let's head back to the home page. GeoSpy has this awesome contest feature where you can test your knowledge of different locations. Just click play now. After a quick introduction, hit Let's Play and you're ready to go. Here's how it works. There's a photo on the left, and you have to guess where it was taken by clicking on the map on the right. Once you've picked a spot, click Confirm Guess and see how close or far you are to the actual location. You get up to 5 rounds of this, and it's so much fun. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve, and it's a great way to challenge yourself or play with friends. Drop a comment below and let me know how many places you got right. I'm curious to see how well you all do. And that's it. GeoSpy is a powerful and easy-to-use tool for finding the location of any photo using AI. Plus, the interactive game feature is just the cherry on top. Whether you're doing research, planning a trip, or just want to have some fun, GeoSpy has you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech tricks and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments how many places you were able to guess correctly in the game. I'm excited to see your results. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.